In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get an investor password in MetaTrader 5. If you want to give someone view-only access to your trading account without allowing them to place or change trades, creating an investor password is the right option. In MetaTrader 5, this password is also known as a read-only password. It lets another person log in and monitor the account, while keeping full control safely in your hands. To begin, open MetaTrader 5 and look at the top menu. Click on View. From there, click on Navigator. This will open the Navigator panel, which is where your trading accounts are listed. If the panel is already visible, that's fine too. The important thing is to make sure you can clearly see your account inside that section. Next, in the Navigator area, double-click on Account. This helps you access the account section more directly and makes it easier to find the account you want to update. Once you can see your account, right-click on it to open the Account Options menu. From that menu, click on Change Password. This is the section where MetaTrader 5 lets you update your login security settings. Before you can make any changes, the platform will ask you to enter your current password. Type in your current password carefully. Make sure there are no typing mistakes, since passwords are case sensitive and even a small error can prevent the change from going through. After that, click on the password type option. You'll see different password choices here, and this part is very important. Select Investor Password, which is the read-only option. This ensures that the new password you create will only allow someone to view the account and not make any trading actions. Now type in your new investor password and then enter it again in the confirmation field. Be sure to choose a password that is secure, but also easy enough for you to store safely. When both entries match, the investor password setup is ready. At this stage, you'll have successfully created a read-only password for your MetaTrader 5 account. This can be useful if you want to share account performance with a client, mentor, or service provider without giving away full access. Just remember to keep your main password private and only share the investor password when needed. And that's it. That's how to get an investor password in MetaTrader 5.